What's up guys? Ngayon naglalaro tayo ng Grow Garden. At sa wakas guys, nakuha ko na yung Amber Lily Seed. Tsaka may mushroom pa, dragon fruit, mango. Ngayon lang talaga guys. Hindi ko to binili dahil wala naman akong Robux. So tignan nyo pa yung Robux ko. Tingnan nyo, wala akong Robux. Wala, ano naman yan, wala nga akong Robux eh. So finally guys, nakuha ko na. Nakuha ko na guys, sa wakas yung Amber Lily. Kasi may mushroom pa. So then, pupunta tayo sa private server. Yan, private server. Ayan na yung Amber Lily. Ayan na. Ayan na. Naglalag na naman. Ano ba yan? Ito nang pinipindot yan. Ito natin seed. Seed stock na ata. Wala namang maganda. Bamboo lang. So, kuha tayo. Punta natin yung gear shop. Punta natin yun. Where's the gear shop? There's no good. Okay. So, balik na tayo sa Amber Lily. Di pa rin nawawala ito. Tsaka nagka-beanstalk rin. Kahapon nagka-beanstalk. Kahapon araw ngayon. So, magtatanim. Tignan natin kung kaya natin palakihin itong mga mushroom. Tiki-isa lang. So, try. Wait, kailangan natin sprinkler dito. Sprinkler. Mushroom. Let's see guys, let's see. Habang dyan, manonood muna tayo sa aking rent house. Baka bayaran ko na ito magiging sa akin soon bro. Ito yung higaan ko. Astig. So yan, nanonood muna tayo. Yan, medyo lumalaki na. Baka hindi mo tayo. Ay, di gumana yung glitch. Nilagyan ko kasi ito ng maraming basic sprinkler kanina. Hindi gumana, pinatch na nila guys. I think grow. Tatanim na natin yung Amber Lily. Yan na guys, tatanim na natin yung amber lily. Ito yung watering can. Watering can. Lagay mo ito ng mga cosmetics. Then, itong pancreas. Then, let's go na. Yo, where's the watering can? Amber lily, dito na. Tagal rin mag-grow pala nito. Ayun na. Ang liit. Ganyan ba talaga yan? So, yan na yung seed. Let's see what seed are in stock. Yung pinakamaganda guys. Ito natin yung gear shop. Ayan. Show me the gear shop. Here's the gear shop. Tula. Big sprinkler. Ayan yung mushroom natin. Tumutubo na guys. So, lalagay rin tayo dito ng basic sprinkler. Then, advanced sprinkler. Then, mag-wait lang tayo until it's fully grown. Nod muna tayo. Yo. Nakatulog ako sa panonood ng show. Let's see if the amber lily is grow. Yo, it's grown now, bro. But there's no flower. Yo, give me this. And the beanstalk is fully grown too. Yeah. Yeah. Yo, right in the beach. Beach. So let's go get this mushroom, bro. Oh, the mushroom is growing. Bro, I'm lagging. So, I'm lagging, bro. Oh, here we are. Please put it going. Oh, wait. The seed shop. Yeah, seed diamond stuff. When should we call? Wait, let's see my watering can. So I can water my brother. It's only watermelon, bro. It's only watermelon. Okay, watering can. Okay, bad stock. And advance. Bro, wait. So, boom. Then, watering can. Where they are both green. I cannot find more watering can. So guys, that's it. But at least we got Ember Lily, bro. I'm really happy, bro. I'm really happy, and this is our house. Yes, that's our house. Is that fully done yet? I need more materials. More materials. So, goodbye, guys. See you soon. Bye. Bye.